If you're a trader and you're still hopping between multiple apps for charts, alerts, analysis, and trade ideas, you might be wasting a lot of time. Today, we're diving into TradingView, one of the most talked about platforms in the trading world. Is it actually worth upgrading to a paid plan? What features truly stand out? And what are the pros and cons you should know before using it? Let's break everything down in the simplest way possible. TradingView is a cloud-based, all-in-one platform that combines charting, real-time data, alerts, automation tools, and even a built-in social network for traders. It doesn't matter whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro. The interface is clean, modern, and extremely customizable. You can use it on your laptop, tablet, or phone, and everything syncs instantly thanks to cloud storage. One of TradingView's biggest strengths is its charting system. You get multiple chart types like candlestick, Heikin Ashi, Renko, and more. There are hundreds of built-in indicators, including moving averages, RSI, MLCD, Bollinger Bands, and you can even overlay multiple assets on the same chart for clearer comparison. The drawing tools are top tier, whether you're marking trend lines, identifying support and resistance zones, or using Fibonacci retracement levels for precision. Another standout feature is the social community. You can follow experienced traders, share your own trade ideas, comment on setups, and explore strategies from people all around the world. It's basically a social network built specifically for traders, which makes learning and idea sharing incredibly easy. And then there's the alert system, arguably one of the best in the entire industry. You can set alerts based on price movements, indicators, patterns, or potential trend reversals, and get notified through email, SMS, or push notifications. If you never want to miss a market move again, this feature alone is a game changer. TradingView also supports broker integration, allowing you to trade directly from the platform, but this feature is only available with selected brokers, so the options may feel limited depending on your region. Now, about pricing. The free plan is solid for beginners. You get basic charts and a few indicators, but you will see ads. The Pro plan removes ads, increases the number of indicators per chart, and gives you more layout options. The Pro Plus and Premium tiers unlock unlimited alerts, faster data, advanced automation, and backtesting tools, making them ideal for active traders and algorithmic developers. Here are the pros: extremely clean and user-friendly UI, best-in-class charting tools, cloud syncing across all devices, a strong global community for idea sharing, and highly customizable alerts. And the cons: the free plan is quite limited, broker integration doesn't support everyone, and the most advanced automation or backtesting tools require higher tier paid plans. So, is TradingView worth it? If you're just starting out, the free version is a great place to begin. But if you're serious about trading, especially if speed, accuracy, and advanced analysis matter to you, the paid plans offer features that genuinely level up your performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more reviews, and let me know in the comments which TradingView plan you're using right now. Happy using.